I'm super excited today to review this mask with you today, guys. This is a red light therapy with other light therapies as well. I'm going to go through all of them with you today, and comes of course with everything you will need to use it and to be easy to use it here easily. As you can see, let's go ahead and unbox it together and apply it on, and let's go ahead and try it on together.
So let's go ahead and unbox it together and show you how it comes first and show you how fantastic it is. It comes in this beautiful box, and of course all the pieces that you will use here. This is the mask without the remote control on the face part, and I'm going now to apply it with you and show it to you. Let me show you the mask itself first. So this is the mask. I'm going to take this film off and it's going to be ready to use right away. As you can see, beautiful, all the lights here around with absolutely like 3D mask around the eyes part and the nose part. It's deep enough to adjust on your nose as well, super easily. And also it comes here with a bag that you can actually put the mask in it to save it in a good area away from like the dust and so it's a beautiful dust bag. And of course the manual to show you everything, how to use it, the recommended time with the remote control. The remote here is going to show like the time, and also the mode that you wanted to use and so on, so you can adjust it from this side as well. As you can see here, I'm going to apply it on my face as well and show you everything so we can use it together. So it's super easy to use, of course, and here comes with a charger and also the adjustable parts that you can adjust it with to the mask itself, so you can adjust it on the back of your head so it can circle your head. As you can see here, it's super easy to snatch together and to apply on your face. So let's go ahead now and apply it on and show you the difference and everything, and show you how fantastic and easy to use. Actually, it's super easy. Just apply it on your face, adjust it on the back, and it's going to be ready to go. Just use the remote control once you apply it, as I show it to you, by the magnet, and then it's very easy to just adjust it here with your finger on the side, and also it's ready to go and to use, and you can move anywhere, and once it's done, it's going to automatically stop, and no worries at all. So it's auto stop, of course, and it will be applied very easy here on your face, and I definitely love it and enjoy to have it here on and around my face for my daily routine. The red lights are fantastic, and also the other options of lights are amazing for my skin. It gives me a flawless, beautiful skin after I apply it every time, and I definitely love it so much and recommend it, especially for the portable side of it, so I don't have to worry about the remote control or a wire or anything about that. So it's super easy to apply and to use. Of course, absolutely recommend it for everyone, and thank you so much for watching.